food also, curry related foods, all these has to be calculated, and accordingly it is adjusted. You do not have to take alcohol when you are taking all these things, although it reduces the craving, but make sure you don't do that. Why? Because it can lead to pancreatitis, and it can really, concentrate that. So it's very dangerous if you consume alcohol during treatment. Another thing which has to be kept in mind is don't try to buy it online from random vendors, because there is a high chances of duplicate stuff. So you have to be very careful. आपको prescription जहाँ से मिला है, if a doctor is telling you the vendor or the person who is giving is authentic from the company, then only buy it. There is a lot of duplicacy around here, so make sure you don't buy that duplicate stuff. You will not get to know, because it will look same but potency बहुत कम होगी, or it will not really affect, but you will be spending a lot of money. So make sure you buy it from the authentic. Don't try to save few bucks or few like thousands rupees just from buying it from the online pharmacies. Lot of problems are going on. And make sure you take it from a prescription and from a doctor who is supposed to prescribe it. Random gym trainers, random people, any cosmetologist, any random people prescribing is very unhealthy, because they are not aware of the adverse effects. So I'm not against anybody, but medical education and medical prescription is really important when it comes from a proper doctor who has degrees, who has fellowship, who is actually aware of its adverse effects, and who is aware when to give it, when not to give it. It's a medical treatment. It is needed. It has to be treated as a medical treatment, not a cosmetology thing. And everybody is not fit to take all these things. So make sure आप जब भी ले रहे हो तरीके से लें, ध्यान से लें, keep yourself safe. And इसमें कभी भी drastic weight loss नहीं होता है. Whatever I've observed, smoothly when you take good diet, there's a loss of inches also, there is a loss of weight also. But to maintain it, you need to have exercise also, you need to eat well also. And do consult, feel free to ask any questions if you have regarding all this. So I've been doing a lot of patients, and hopefully soon we'll publish data from the Indian perspective. And as my observation, males are actually having better effect than females. I do not know the long-term effects. Let's see. If you have any questions, please ask, comment on the Facebook, Instagram, wherever you're watching, or the YouTube. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. I will be very, very thankful for all your support. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.